Now that we've inserted our table, let's look at a few quick table functions that we can apply right away. So here we have our country data, and let's look at table functions. If, for example, I wanted to total the population for all of these countries, I can do that either by inputting a formula here or using table functions. If I right-click in this population column, I can go to Quick Analysis, and as you can see, it selects the whole table and it provides me different kinds of analyses that I can do. I encourage you, when you have time, go through some of these ideas and some of these options. They're really going to help you in the long run. But let's say, for example, in our purposes, we want to have the sum. If I click sum, now all of a sudden I have the sum for the population of all these countries. Okay, and likewise I have the sum for the remaining fields here. If, for example, I wanted to take the average life expectancy instead of the sum, I could simply click here, the drop down, and take, let's say, the average. Likewise for GDP, I could take the maximum or the minimum. There's different kinds of functions and table functions that I can select. And that is how we use table functions to analyze our data in tables quickly. Do you want to boost your career and income potential with Microsoft Excel? Check out our 2-hour mini courses down below. They're quick, easy to complete, and they're guaranteed to keep you motivated. Plus, you can even check out a free sample of our courses down below. And as always, thanks for watching.